Siddhant and Anushka have gone with the police to get Dad arrested.
Why?
Purva had come over. She said that all of Dad's crimes have been proved and now the police will arrest him.
Shri, I think we should go to the office. We'll think about what to do.
All right,
Shri, you
Mom.
can call up
Let's
the
go.
lawyers
Come on,
on
let's
the way,
go.
okay?
You and I were like two peas in a pod, right? You were my best friend, Prabhakar. You stood by me, be it times bad or good. But then you were consumed by the thought of standing by the truth. Then you forgot everything. What is the truth? It is a point of view, a perspective. But friendship? Friendship is an emotion, a feeling, sentiments. It is what you and KK had for each other. I always stood by you. I have never been against you. But you did not honor my friendship, Prabhakar. You broke our friendship and chose the belief system created by the society.
We have certain duties towards the society too. And if we can help catch a criminal, why should we let him go?
You chose the truth. KK did not want to kill you. I tried everything possible to knock some sense into you and keep you from coming into KK's way.
I think very soon I'll be able to find out who all are responsible for that plane crash.
That is the job of the police, Prabhakar. Let them do their job. Coming to the things I've done in life, I have no regrets. None whatsoever. The only thing I regret is killing you, Prabhakar. What did you get? You took your life and wrecked it for the sake of some stupid principles. Look at KK. Now KK is more successful than ever. This world is not affected by the truth, Prabhakar. The world is beyond the concepts of good and evil. Your son Siddhant, he thinks that he will have KK punished. That is one innocent kid. Because as long as I have Radha and her mother in my clutches, neither the police nor Siddhant can harm KK at all. However, KK is only scared for Anushka. I don't want to lose the respect my daughter has for me. All of you, wait outside. Don't allow anyone to enter till KK does not say so. Not even the police.
Yes, sir.
Goel?
I called him. Well, I had taken an oath on my dad and promised him, if I can, whatever the Reddys have snatched away from you, I'll return everything to you with interest.
Anushka?
Have you gone mad, Anushka? What are you doing? Did you get influenced by what Siddhant said?
He's our dad, Anushka. You want to get him arrested?
Sorry, Mom. Karthik, brother, sister-in-law, whatever I felt right and truth, I did it. When you will find out the truth, then even you would do the same.
Is it? And what's the truth?
And who will decide?
And what is the proof? Do you have evidence?
I have not decided anything. I have left the decision on him. Let's go and we will all ask him what he has decided to do.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Get aside. Let us go in. Mr. KK has asked you to wait for a while. Listen, I don't need KK's permission. I've got an arrest warrant against him. We abide by Mr. KK's words. If you still want to try, then you may go ahead. We won't move from here until Mr. KK asks us to.
Father will take care of it. Please go ahead.
Sorry, sir. I take orders only from Mr. KK. Okay. Don't let the police go inside, but allow us to go in. We are family. Sorry, sir. It's Mr. KK's order. We can't let anyone in.
Have you lost your mind or what?
Look, I think we should handle the situation patiently.
You, go and bring more force.
Did the police arrive?
Yes, sir.
Is Anushka there?
Yes, sir.
Send her inside.
Miss Anushka, Mr. KK has asked you to come in.
Just a moment. Why did he call her? Why didn't you tell him that Shrikant is here, Karthik is there, Mom and Riddhi? Tell him about us.
Mr. KK has specifically asked Mr. Anushka to come inside.
Hey,
Please go, ma'am.
I'll be back.
I don't think it's right, Anushka.
Siddhant, he is my dad. If I need to be scared of him, then everything else is meaningless. Well, even I should know as to what my dad is capable of.
I called you here so that you get to see KK's true colors. Whatever you said was true. All the allegations you made against KK were absolutely true. You just went wrong at one place. When you said that my love for you is not true. You just hurt KK with those words. KK's existence might be fake, but my love for you is true. That is KK's truth. Karthik and you were born together. When I went to the hospital, I held Karthik in my hands first. Karthik was a boy, my successor. I thought that he would grow up to be like me. And then the nurse forcefully kept you on the lap of KK.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू